gadget disinfectant spray. I think important category, and it's not just about the current pandemic or a lockdown. I think this is going to be our future. We've got to make sure that everything we touch is absolutely and totally pristine clean. So this does three things. It is called a 3-in-1. It disinfects, protects and cleans. I want to show you a mistake a few people make when they use something like this. Normally when you take out this and you spray it directly onto a device, that is a huge mistake. So the first thing you do is you actually spray it onto a cleaning cloth and then you actually go and clean the device. So whether it's the screen or a keyboard, now this evaporates fast. That's one of the reasons why it's not a problem even if you want to do a keyboard. But do remember, if there are any openings like the speaker area or anything, the button that actually exposes something, be a little careful out there, or don't clean that area out, or in some way or the other seal that area temporarily. So that's all you have to really do. Spray and then use it on, and it's actually very, very effective, because I think one of the biggest problems we have is that we're all very used to using devices with dirty screens and a keyboard that has never been touched. I think at times like this, the wake-up call that we've all got really and absolutely makes a difference. Take a look at our story.
We are living in an era where the saying cleanliness is next to godliness has become synonymous with our well-being. We not only make sure that we are washing our hands regularly, but also practice social distancing, not to mention that we all swear by our hand sanitizers at all times. But while we are maintaining our personal hygiene, we can't forget that these invisible enemies like viruses and pathogens are omnipresent, and they can be found on our favorite objects as well. Objects that we interact with all the time, like our smartphone. Here's a fact that might surprise you. It is researched that our smartphones are 10 times more contaminated than a regular toilet seat. While some of us might use regular hand sanitizers to take care of this problem, what we actually need is a more customized solution. And that is exactly the reason why Luxure has recently introduced its latest Nano Gadget Disinfectant Spray, a revolutionary disinfectant solution made specially for our devices. So let's try to understand first what makes this Nano Gadget Disinfectant Spray so special. As it turns out, this product by Luxure carries a unique technology that takes care of all those unwanted viruses that might be present on the surface of our favorite gadgets. Yes, active nanotechnology protects our gadgets against a wide range of transmittable germs and viruses that might harm us when we come in contact with our favorite devices. With just one spray, this active nanotechnology gets into action and eliminates 99.9% of harmful germs and viruses lurking on the surface of our devices. What makes this solution more robust is the fact that it creates a protective layer that remains intact on the device and lasts up to 4 hours. Now that we know what's inside this spray can, it's time to use it by ourselves and disinfect some gadgets. Luxure bundles in a premium microfiber cloth with the disinfectant that adds to the convenience when we are wiping our devices. We start by making sure that the device is not plugged in. Then we cover the potential openings on the device before we start wiping it with the disinfectant. The final step is where things get interesting. We spray the disinfectant on the microfiber cloth and get on with our wiping session. While a single spray is sufficient for a smartphone, it takes about 2 sprays to clean a bigger device like a laptop. What gave us more confidence while using the Nano Gadget Disinfectant Spray was its anti-static characteristic, which meant there were no unpleasant static feedbacks while we wiped our devices. Once our devices were spick and span, and more importantly protected against those harmful viruses, we couldn't help but admire the pleasant aqua fresh fragrance that the disinfectant leaves behind once applied. Also, thanks to its compact size, it is fairly easy to carry the spray around, be it in your bag or for that matter even in your pockets. So should you get the Luxure Nano Gadget Disinfectant Spray? Absolutely. With its active nanotechnology, this little product makes sure that our devices do not become the motel for unwanted viruses that might end up infecting us. Available at just 100 rupees, this product by Luxure is definitely a secure investment.